Hello friends, thanks for subscribing this full course of Excel from beginner to advanced. So let us start with how we are moving forwards. So initially I am preparing one sheet in the Excel. So and with that I will also teach you what you will learn. So here is the small button which you can press to create a new sheet. It is called as sheet 1, sheet 2. In this video, I will tell you main brief about the Excel and what are the features which are available and which you can use in daily purpose. So here it is sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. You can make n number of sheet whatever you want. So this way you can create the sheet. Now you can see that this is a book 1 Excel and which is by default name assigned to the Excel. If you want to save this Excel, you can just go to file, save, and wherever you want to save, you can go through that, and you can give name as initial Excel. Now what I want to teach you is that let us go through this which we want to prepare. So what is first? First is serial number, date, task detail, responsible. So let us make like that, serial number. So here one shortcut which I want to mention is that it is a serial number what I have written, but unfortunately I did mistake while typing that. So what I mistakenly typed serial number, but for that if you want to edit any particular cell, you can press F2 command. So let us make a note of this. So here I have prepared one thing, F2 shortcut. Let me give heading shortcuts, and here it is F2. Whatever I will teach you, I will save over here, and at the end of all the lectures I will share this document with you. So here you can just press F2 from keyboard and you can edit this if you have done mistake in while typing. So serial number, another one was date, then task detail, okay, then responsible, target date. Now see what actually, wait, see what happened over here, serial number, date and task detail. I write like this, and now I want, unfortunately I have overwrite this as a target date. So this is done, I have done mistake. So what you have to do, you have to just press Ctrl Z, which is for undo. You can just back towards what you have done at the last, and you can press Ctrl Y for redo, means back and forth. So let us go to the target date, task detail, and here it is target date, right? So here you learn two command, Ctrl Z and another is Ctrl Y, right? Now in this point, unfortunately you missed one column. So how you can add this? There is two or three methods. Over here you can just top of your home button, you can press just insert. It will automatically insert whatever the selection to the left. So again I am doing Ctrl Z, and over here insert sheet columns, right? Another way to add this column to in more faster way is you can select this by control space. Control space will be used to select a column for selected cell. If you want to select this I column, you can just press control space bar. And if you want to select this row, then you can do shift space bar. What? Shift space bar. and similarly you can select any of the row. Now I want to add before D column, so that is why I will press shift spacebar, control spacebar, and you have to press control plus button. Control plus button will automatically add before the selected column. So here we learn two things: shift spacebar, shift spacebar, control CTRL, control spacebar, and control plus button to add control this plus button, right? So let me decide this description also, so you can learn easily by easy way. To edit particular cell, control Z is for undo, control Y is for redo, shift spacebar to select entire row, control spacebar to select entire column. These are the shortcuts which you can use for quick actions. Control plus for addition of row or column. You can add both the things. And now one also new command which I am going to mention over here is control minus command, which will use for delete row or column, right? So let me give you the example also. If we control space control plus, right, and we have unfortunately edited one extra column, you can just control space control minus to delete this column. So task details, target date. Now what we want to prepare: days left 1, days left 2, right? But here unfortunately we have missed this responsibility, target date, then days left. Why I am using this days left, I will tell you in consecutive lectures, because these are the column which we use for some coding or background purposes. Now email ID, these all three column will be hidden because we don't want to reflect at every time, but we want to tell this computer to do something for us. So that's why we are creating initially these columns. Then completion date. See, again I have done spelling mistake. We can correct it by this thing, F2, and update status. So finally we have make this all these columns. But see, whether you have take a note of this or not, we have make this table in sheet 3, but we want in sheet 1. So what we will do: control all while pressing 2 times, or you can select by clicking this. Just copy this sheet 1, go into the sheet 1 and control V for pasting. And you, so let us mention control C for copy, control V for paste, right? This is the shortcut. Now we want to delete this all, control all delete. Okay, so we have just prepared this one all the columns. Now I want to bold this thing. So what I have taught to you, that you can just by doing shift spacebar you can select this thing, full row. And now control B will help to bold this, CTRL plus B, bold. So see whether you have mentioned or not, here B is activated. We can do from over here also. Bold, italic, underline, anything whatever you want you can do. So initially we have prepared this all the columns, but you can see that this is half hidden. For that we can just increase this width, but sometimes it is possible that oh we have increased so much. For that we have one shortcut. I will teach you shortcut, but just select Control All, Format, and all column width, auto fit column width. You can see each and every columns are respectively fit to each other, nothing is hidden. So finally you have completed this first lesson, which I personally want to teach you with the help of many of the commands and shortcuts which we have mentioned in our notepad, and we will teach many things in consecutive lectures. So thank you for this lecture. We'll meet you in next lecture.